Hi, welcome to our assembly. On Monday, we talked about how everybody was different and everybody had their own special abilities, and we're going to carry on thinking about that today. And I'm going to introduce you, some of you will know this word, I'm going to introduce you to a very special word when we're talking about us all being different. So I wonder if you might know what word I mean when we talk about us all being different. That word is unique. It's a very special word. Very, very special words. We're all similar. We've all got similar things. We're all people, but everyone is different. Everyone has their own strengths and qualities. So we've got pictures of snowflakes here. Now, have a look at the pictures of the snowflakes. They're all similar to each other. They all have rotational symmetry. They all have line symmetry as well. And they've all got those lovely, lovely patterns. They all fall from the sky. They're all cold. They're all made out of ice crystals. But every single snowflake is different. There is not a single one that is the same as all of the others. Every single snowflake is different. So just like snowflakes have got some similarities with each other, so do we. How are you the same as somebody else in your class? What do you think? So you might be similar to somebody else in your class because you've got similar coloured hair. You might be similar to somebody else in the class because you both wear glasses, or because you both have something dead straightforward, you both have two hands. Okay? It might be that everybody in the class is the same because you're all wearing school uniform, because you all go to Wincham School. So every snowflake is different, and so are we, but we all have some similarities. So that word unique is really, really important because we are all different. Okay, so what makes us who we are? There's billions and billions of people in the world, but we're all different. And we might look like someone else in our family, but we're not exactly the same as them. Now, we're not just unique in the way that we look, but we're different in the way that things we're interested in, our skills, abilities, and the way that we think, we feel, and we behave. So have a look at these different things and see if you can tell me something that makes you who you are. So I talked a moment ago about skills and abilities, something that you can do, and the way that we think, feel, and behave. Okay, so skills and abilities. I'm going to tell you one of my skills and abilities. Let's think. I am quite good at origami. Okay, that's one. And something about how I think, feel, and behave. I think it's important to be kind to people. Okay, let's see if you can do that as well. Can you think of something that you think is really important about something you can do? It might be that you tell a good joke, you're good at football, it might be that you're a good cook, and something that you think or feel. You might be a kind person. You might think it's really important to help other people. Okay, pause the video, see what you think. Now, here's an important question. All of the people in your class are different. There's some similarities. Some of you said that you were good at football, and there's probably more than one person in the class who said that they were good at football. Some of you said that you were kind, and there's more than one person in the class who said that they were kind. But you are also different to other people as well. Okay, so if you said you were good at football, and somebody else said they were good at playing the guitar, you're different. So why is it important to show respect and kindness to those around us, even if they're different? So have a talk with the person sitting next to you and find something that is different between you. Find something that is different about you. Okay, now that you've done that, have a think. Does that mean that you should never play with the person that you're sitting next to? Does that mean that you should never talk to them? Absolutely not. Everybody is special for different reasons. We talked about those abilities, and it's really important that we celebrate those different abilities and that we look out for people despite that, because that's how we want to be treated. So if you see somebody on the playground on their own, or somebody you might not normally play with, then you can go and help them. It's that global goal of reducing inequalities to make sure, and good health and well-being, making sure that everybody is happy. If you were on the playground on your own, put your hand up if you would want somebody to come over and say, are you all right? Do you want to play? Absolutely, that's everybody. We'd all want somebody to come and look out for us. That's really, really important. So about showing respect and kindness to those around us, it doesn't matter whether that person has a different colour skin, or is a boy or a girl, or is in a wheelchair, or has got 5 legs, or has got stripy toes. It doesn't matter, because basically we want to have a good time when we're outside on the playground, when we're in the class, and we want to get on with our mates. And that's one way of doing it, showing respect and kindness to other people. So we all bring all these different skills and abilities and interests to our school, and that's what makes it a special place. So every one of you is unique, just like all of the flowers that I showed you in the assembly on Monday are unique. And if we can all celebrate that uniqueness, celebrate all those wonderful things, it makes our school a happier place. So there we go, guys. Our assembly has been all about making our school a happier place by accepting absolutely everybody. And when you accept absolutely everybody, we've also got to remember that sometimes we fall out, we disagree with each other. Now, there's 2 choices, because you've got to be in your class with your mates for the rest of the year, and probably next year as well, and the year after, and the year after that. So if you fall out with somebody for whatever reason, are you going to never talk to that person again? Are you never ever going to speak to that person again because you've fallen out over which is your favorite Pokemon, or whether you didn't follow the rules playing cops and robbers, or whether you support I don't know, Liverpool or Everton? Is that a reason to never speak to that person ever again? Of course it's not. It's just one of those things where we're all different. It doesn't matter whether you support Liverpool or Everton. Of course you're going to you talk to other people. It doesn't matter if you fall out over something, because you make up and then you carry on talking to other people. Everybody's got differences of opinion, and it's important that we recognize that. So that's what I want you all to think about today, guys. I want you to have a think about how we respect other people's differences and accept them and say, yeah, it's all right, we're going to carry on no matter what. There we go. All right, see you around school, guys. Bye-bye.